Want brighter, firmer, and glowing skin? Let's make a powerful antioxidant serum at home. DIY ferulic acid serum that fights aging, sun damage, and dullness, naturally. Take a clean glass bowl. Add 1/4 tsp ferulic acid powder to 1 tablespoon of warm distilled water. Stir well until fully dissolved. Next, add 1 teaspoon glycerin or aloe vera gel, then mix in 1 vitamin E capsule and 2 tablespoons rose water. If you want extra glow, add 1/2 tsp vitamin C powder, but mix well. Pour your serum into a dark dropper bottle to protect it from light. Store in the fridge and use within 7 to 10 days for best results. Use 3 to 4 drops on clean skin at night. Gently massage and follow with moisturizer. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Don't forget sunscreen the next day. This DIY ferulic acid serum boosts collagen, brightens skin tone, and protects from early aging, all from your kitchen.